Hey friends, if PowerPoint is not responding on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. So if your Microsoft PowerPoint application is not responding, not opening, or not starting, then try updating your Windows first. So how can you do that? Click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. In here, you need to do what it suggests, like download and install all updates, check for updates, or restart now. You also need to click on restart now so that the updates will be downloaded and installed into your Windows. So once you have updated your Windows, try to launch the Microsoft PowerPoint application and see if it is working this time. But if not, then move to the next methods. In the Windows search bar right here, type PowerPNT.exe. It's powerpnt.exe. As you can see on the best match, right click and then select Run as Administrator. Running the PowerPoint application as an administrator, this will let you open the application. So as you can see, this has opened the Microsoft PowerPoint application. You can start creating your presentation right here. Now for the next method is we need to click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Apps, Installed Apps. Now simply scroll down and look for the version of the PowerPoint that you are in your Windows. So mine is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. So I'm going to click on these three dots and then select Modify. Now you have here the quick repair, fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. You need to go with quick repair and click on repair. Then here, ready to start a quick repair, just click on repair button once again. So this will start repairing the Microsoft 365 and Office programs and features, and that includes the Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's just wait for this. So once the repair is done or done repairing, you finish repairing your Microsoft 365 and Office programs and features, click on close, and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, and then try to launch the PowerPoint application if this is opening and responding this time. But if in some cases still it isn't working, then go back to Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, which is the version of the PowerPoint presentation. Click on this three dots, select Modify. This time you're going to go with the online repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if the quick repair is not working. So click on repair. Now repair once again. So after this is done, this will take an hour, so we're just not going to wait for this. But in your case, after the online repair is done, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.